WhatsApp, Facebook. This is Salik Sakpase. You know, it was January 1st. That means Haiti Independence Day. So I got myself this jacket. It's really expensive. $10,000 I got myself. So it's so sweet.
Hello,
Oh,
sir. Hello, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir.
I'm making a live.
Sorry, sir.
I'm on Facebook.
Yeah, I know. It's 12 a.m. midnight, so we're about to close, sir. Sorry.
What should I do?
So you need to put the jacket back.
I'm making a
The
live.
hoodie. Oh, it doesn't matter, bro.
Sal, alis to Mashikola.
Saudila.
Give speak Haitian Creole.
¡Ay, tú de la mamita que me cayó el suelo! ¡Yo le hago ya los tacos los rastrados! ¡Callín, señor camionero! ¡Todavía está ahí para... Pararon para una hora para que le dieran el bocadillo!